For problem 44, we're trying to determine whether the series is convergent or divergent by expressing Sn as a telescoping sum. So for number 44, we have ln of n divided by n+1, and the trick here is to remember the log rules that whenever we have, say, ln of a over b, this is just ln of a minus ln of b. So what we can do here is we can rewrite this as the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of ln of n, which goes on the top, minus ln of n plus 1. So once we've done this, let's expand this, and maybe we're going to expand this up to, say, n is equal to 5. So if we expand this up to n is equal to 5, we would go ln of, we plug in 1 for the beginning, so ln of 1 minus ln of 1 plus 1, so minus ln of 2. So that's for n is equal to 1. And if n is equal to 2, we have plus ln of 2, and then minus ln of 3, because 2 plus 1 minus ln of 3. And if n is equal to 3, we're going to have plus ln of 3, and then minus ln of 4, minus ln of 4. Let's just leave it for here. So this is the case where n is equal to 3. And if that's the case, we can see that the way that it works is these are going to cancel out and these are going to cancel out. And you're just going to be left with the first term, which is ln of 1 minus ln of, remember that we did this for n is equal to 3. So minus ln of n plus 1. And that's going to be the total sum. Let's check for n is equal to 4 just to see if it holds up. So if we did for n is equal to 4, we would add plus ln of 4, and then minus ln of n plus 1, so minus ln of 5. So even in this case here, we can see that the 1 stays where it is, the ln of 1, but these cancel out, these cancel out, and these cancel out. So if n is equal to 4, we just have ln of 1 minus ln of n plus 1. So we can rewrite this as, let me rewrite this here, since we've seen that all of these cancel out except the first term, so ln of 1 minus ln of n plus 1. And now, since we've already seen what this sum is equal to, now we're just going to calculate it. Well, that's going to be equal to the limit as n approaches infinity, because this is an infinite sum, right? So what we have to do here is we have to take the limit as n approaches infinity of ln 1, and ln 1 is just 0, so 0 minus ln of n plus 1. So if we take this limit here, if we plug in infinity, we're just going to have ln of infinity minus ln of infinity, and this is going to give us minus infinity. So we can see that this here diverges because the whole sum, it just tends to minus infinity.